Out of 1435 Fortune 500 companies that Jim Collins, author of the book Good to Great, studied, only 11 achieved and sustained greatness. These 11 garnered stock returns at least 3 times the market. What did each one of these have in common? Each had a level 5 leader at the helm. In part 1 of this video, I shared what is level 5 leadership. In this video, I will share if the skills required to be a level 5 leader can be learned or you just have to be born with it. Hi, my name is Anil Jaising. I'm a certified Scrum trainer with Scrum Alliance, an adjunct faculty with the NYU Graduate Program of Project Management, and an entrepreneur running Concepts and Beyond, a premier training and coaching company. I'm on a mission to help leaders, teams, organizations drive product innovation and build profitable businesses. Subscribe to my channel for stories of innovation fueled by product management, business agility, and leadership topics. As a reminder, let's look at the 5 levels of leadership again. The first one is you're a highly capable individual. You make productive contributions towards talent, knowledge, skills, and good work habits. Number 2 is you become a contributing team member that contributes to the achievement of group objectives, works effectively with others in a group setting. Number 3 is now you become a competent manager who organizes people, resources towards effective and efficient pursuit of objectives. Number 4 is now you become effective. You catalyze commitment to the vigorous pursuit of a clear and compelling vision, simulate the group to high performance standard. And number 5, my favorite, you come to a level 5 leadership who has the power of building enduring greatness through a paradoxical combination of personal humility and professional wit. Jim Collins also shares that level 5 leadership is an essential factor for taking a company from good to great, but it's not the only one. There are some other drivers. The first one is the who. Level 5 leaders, they hire the right people, move the wrong people away, and then figure out how to drive their company. Number 2 is the Stockdale paradox. Finding his name after Admiral James Stockdale, winner of the Medal of Honor, who survived 7 years in a Vietnam prisoner of war camp by hanging on 2 contradictory beliefs. The first one is to face the brutal facts of where they are and simultaneously maintain absolute faith they would prevail in the. Number 3 is good to great transformations resemble pushing a heavy flywheel in one direction. At first, it gets the flywheel to turn once. With consistent effort, it goes to 2 turns, and then 5, and then building momentum until the wheel hits the breakthrough moment. Number 4 is the hedgehog concept. 𝙎𝙊𝘾𝙄𝘼𝙇𝙎 shares a parable. The fox knows a little about many things, but the hedgehog knows only one big thing very well. The fox is complex, the hedgehog simple. The hedgehog concept applies to people in companies that need to understand 3 intersecting circles. 1 is what a company is best at, how its economics work best, and what best ignites the passion of its people. Breakthrough happens when you get the hedgehog concept and become systematic and consistent with it. Number 5 is technology accelerators. Great leaders avoid jumping to the next technology bandwagon, but they're still pioneers in the application of carefully selected technologies, making investments in those. Number 6 is the leaders demonstrate a culture of discipline. Disciplined people, disciplined thought, and disciplined action. When you have disciplined people, you don't need hierarchy. When you combine disciplined thought, you don't need bureaucracy. And when you have disciplined action, you don't need excessive controls. In part 1 of this video, I shared the level 5 leaders have 2 characteristics: extreme personal humility and a fierce resolve. Is this something people are born with, or it can be developed? According to Jim Collins, there are 2 categories of people. One that cannot, and the second one that can develop these skills. The first is people who cannot look beyond their needs to the greater ambition of something larger and more lasting. Typically, companies put larger than life CEOs to the top that have amazing charisma and personality. These people, they love others giving them great attention, and they have big egos. The second category is one who can develop these skills. The capability actually lies within themselves, and they just need to explore it and discover it for themselves. Under the right circumstances, maybe self-reflection, maybe deep learning, maybe having a mentor, or having a significant life experience will spark development of their journey to level 5 leadership. My personal opinion is that if you keep your ego aside and really work towards something larger than yourself, you can develop these skills with learning about topics like servant leadership and agile leadership. These characteristics can be learned and practiced. Anything you practice for a while becomes a habit. Speaking about agile leadership and learning about it, I would like to highlight a new course. I'm teaching a new course called Certified Agile Leader. If you're interested in learning more about Level 5 leadership and how it connects with Agile leadership, join my Certified Agile Leader course. The course is certified by Scrum Alliance and it teaches you the skills that you require to be an Agile leader and how to develop them. Sign up for the interest list in the description below. I plan to run this course in January 2025 and it typically costs about $1,000 to attend and get certified. For a limited time, this course and certification is available to you at $100. Only if you attend the course and give me your honest feedback. When you sign up for the interest list, I will send you the discount code so that you can sign up for $100. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. I will see you next time.